Well, good morning. This is, let's call this a video of I can't stand the cleanliness of my shop. So, things that have collected here since last fall. And, yeah, take a look around. Too much stuff. So, put a little shelf in. Get the stuff off the top of the refrigerator for detailing, car washing, truck washing, all that good stuff. So, got a lot of stuff going to be leaving the shop. Stuff that's driving me crazy. My son's been after me. He says it looks like crap in here, and he's right. So, no real update on the rat rod. Been thinking. I'll probably do some work later this afternoon on it. I got some parts ordered for the SB 200 Lincoln for the gun. And garage sale find. I know everybody likes those. Went to a friend's garage sale and they had this little generator. And I believe it's probably 1998-ish, because we had a ice storm then, and a lot of people bought generators and haven't used it. It runs, everything works on it. It was more than reasonable. Picked it up for $100. So, and it has, you can charge batteries off it. Also has a on demand, you know, your throttle comes up on the demand and returns, so you don't burn gas. It doesn't have to run all the way, all the time. So, yeah, look at the mess. Look at the mess. Got the twister out. Last night, hadn't even run that this year, so I got it out and ran around, put a new battery in it, and ran around. I'll change the oil on it today. I don't think we'll use it much this year at all. Yeah, it still runs really good. I got a couple mini bikes I got to get out, maybe today or tomorrow, and go through that and get them running again. Let them run, put some fuel treatment in them, and probably put them away. It's getting late. It was 39 degrees when I got up this morning. I don't think it's much better out here. Matter of fact, I know it's not. We're pretty packed in over here too, so a lot of this stuff's got to be put away. Can do maybe do a quick update on the building. Sun's coming up. I was wide awake at 3 o'clock and couldn't go back to sleep, so there you go. Been up here cleaning ever since about 4:30. So as you can see, I've done a lot. So a couple updates. We're going to tackle this week and get the cab off it, get the front fenders off it, so I can use the front fenders on the rat rod. I'll be cutting them down to fit what I need. And cutting them down, I'll probably be eliminating some of this rust on the bottom, but actually the fender's in pretty nice shape. Typical Ford fenders, they put a brace in here and it just clicks stuff and rots, but I'll fix that. So the building is coming along pretty well. Weather this week kind of slowed everything down a little bit. We had high winds a couple days, and the fellow that's putting it up had a roofing job he had to get done before that storm hit. We had quite a bit of rain the other night. So everything that we're not using right now is in here. Needs to go somewhere else. Hopefully in these buildings. I'll put some shelving up on that side. Clean the trailers out and get some of this stuff put away, because it's going to get cold here. It already is cold here today. So anyway, we're pretty much strapped. We got to fill in around the post and pack it in. Vern's going to do that with the excavator. We've got some leftover wood. Somebody's going to take that when we're all said and done. We put a 3/4 inch plywood on both sides up where we attach this, the lean-tos to help stabilize the building. Of course, this side will be open. The other side will have tin on it and be closed in to help strengthen it, but we wanted to make sure that we had plenty of strength, and we still got to put our, our hurricane, I don't think they're called hurricane straps. I think people call them that. They're joist hangers up, and they'll go on here. We also got to put the second plate in here, now that it's all been, put some more bracing in it. So the second plate will go on the inside to sandwich the bracing, and then that wall has to be built, but I believe, I know all the tins here, the extra boarding we need to finish up some of the strapping, and the places that we took the 2x8s out that were rotten when we took the building down, we didn't think they were worthy of putting back up, so we're going to replace those. They're in the pile also. Let's see what else well, that's Jordan's project over there. He converting his one of his trucks over to a dump, so he bought an FL Freightliner FL70. So had a sleeper on it, took a sleeper off. So he's gonna, I'll shoot some videos on that as he gets going on it. So anyway, so hopefully by the end of the week, the roof will be on, and at least the tin on the sides and the back will be done. Because we're going to spin that trailer, that Land Air Express, and it's going to go on the back side of this building. Reason is because we can't get around there with the dump trucks to go down in the little gravel pit. So we're going to put that up here and extend the road out in between the two. All right, so that's kind of an update. Not sure what's going on other than that. Did a little mowing yesterday. Almost time to get the trucks in and get them all serviced, brakes checked out, all that kind of stuff. Because anytime after about the 15th, 18th of October here, we can get snow, and we are late September. I think it's 23rd today. Yep. Let's see what it says. Oh, I am right. 23rd. Okay, so that's a short update. Well, it's not really short. More ramblings. Hey, trackless still for sale. Jeep's for sale. I don't think anything else is for sale I got, but I think that's about it. Okay. Have a good day. I'll bring you back if I do some work on the rat rod this afternoon.